Let's come on to the part D of section A, family. And question is saying explain why an aging population is likely to affect the family life. So if you want to see the 8 marks question format, you can check the playlist of paper number 1, section B. You can see where I have explained the format of the 8 marks question, but verbally I am telling you that you must have the good sociological knowledge. The argument that you will give must be a well developed, and the points you will explain must be a sociology terms. Make sure to add maximum sociology term in your answer. So let's quickly start section B, part D. What is saying explain why an aging population is likely to affect the family life. So let's build up an argument and then explain it. An aging population affects the family life. An aging population affects the family life, affects the family life in multiple ways. In multiple ways. Grandparents living longer, grandparents living longer can provide emotional and financial support to their families, and financial support to their families, often help with childcare, However, they may also become a financial and emotional burden, on their adult children, particularly women, who might have a balanced elder care with their own responsibilities, Additionally, increased life expectancy might lead to re-emergence of extended families where multiple generations where multiple generations live together to support each other, to support each other. On the other hand, geographical mobility might isolate elderly family members, leading to loneliness and a lack of support So this is how you have to answer for this 8 marks question.